Hello, I'm Andrew from Advanced Professional Heating Services. Thanks for seeing our video again. We're just obviously explaining that it's quite important to know where your main stop valve is in any house. It's quite important. Generally you'll find that main stop valve for a typical tank like this is going to be over here. What this does is it goes up here and it fills up a small tank at the top. And there's something called a ball valve inside there. A ball valve is similar to what you have in your toilet. It fills up, then when it gets to a level it stops. Common problem is that they do become lime scaled, and through time they just perish really. So it is quite important to get that checked once a year by a competent engineer. To get to this, as you can see, it is a little bit tricky to get to. We would have to in this case go to the attic space to get to that. So really the plumber does have to know what he's doing. Second thing as well, this valve here, which you can see is the one that goes to the hot taps. If you ever were changing a tap, you need to have this turned off. But sometimes they do seize up, so it's quite important as well that you better to know where your main stop valve is in the street. Locate that, it's quite important in an emergency. And particularly when you get freezing weather, like the advice I would give, in freezing weather conditions, make sure that you leave your hot water tank on, your heating on. I would never let the house get too cold. Always lag any pipes outside, it is quite important. You'll notice that this tank is lagged quite well. It's obviously not the newest of tanks, the newer technology is better, like Megaflows for example. But if you ever have any questions about anything, do feel free to contact us. The numbers obviously are below there. We'll always be happy to answer any questions you have about anything. We don't just do plumbing, we do electrics as well. Immersion heaters, we do washing machines, boilers, cookers, and we also do air conditioning. All aspects of electrics around the house. So if any time you want to give us a call, do give us a call, because every year it's quite important to get your boiler serviced as well as your plumbing. We always recommend a check of all this to prevent any chance of any sort of leak. But do give us a call, thanks very much, because we can do it because we're the A-team. Thanks.